$85,000, $732.84. 85 is how much this seller right here is currently making, which is one Amazon private labels products. And another cool factor is that this seller is just starting in August of this year. You can see creation date August 1st 2022 with only 41 reviews, and they are making way more than an average American salary. Same with the seller right here. They are selling similar product in the same category. This person is making $102,000 and $74.73 with only 51 review counts. And the seller is starting not too long ago, just in June. As you can see, from June and even August to now, it's only a few months, but someone was able to make way more within short amount of time frame compared to an average American salary. That is the power of Amazon private label. And today I'm going to be sharing with you why it is important to start selling on Amazon right away. This is my students, and he just found these products after following our step-by-step instruction with criteria of Shifu War Map on how to find this type of products right here. You get good at product research now, huh?